Now I know what you're thinking, man. Didn't he just dye his hair like some bright ass red like 2 weeks ago? Yeah, I did. It faded out already. You know, it says 4 to 6 weeks on the bottle, but my fucking lifestyle doesn't promote that type of longevity. Summer's coming. I'm about to cut all my hair off anyways and just get like a nice, more manageable cut than this giant fucking helmet that I'm currently boating. You know, I was looking at some different hair dyes, and I saw this shit, and I was like, interesting, very interesting. It's called, it's black semi-permanent hair dye, and you know, most people would wait. Most people would be like, I'm gonna wait till the red rinses out before I put another color in. But fuck it, you know, we're gonna go with it. We're gonna do it, man. And also, I have some of this Manic Panic left, and I was thinking like I'm gonna do like some like a bang, like a red bang, or like a red ear bang or something, you know. It's gonna be sweet. So we're gonna try something cool. We're gonna get creative and wacky with it, and we're gonna just like fucking roll the punches. And if the red bang looks shitty, we'll just go over with black. How's that sound? Yes, this is a maternity sweater. It's called Fashion Sweetheart. Get a clue. It's called Get Your Own Life. Take once for daily use. This is Frying My Hair 2-1. Use protective cream around hairline on ears to prevent staining. Well, if it's a semi-permanent, why would it stain? Taking some risks today, boys. Alright, all I could find was coconut oil. Now, you know, I was very deceived when I bought this coconut oil because I thought it was going to smell like the fucking tropics, but it smells like literally nothing. Like, I never smelled anything in my life that had less of a smell than this, honestly. It smells like the inside of a nose. Alright, I'm going to put this on my hairline so I don't stain my forehead black. Get in trouble for accidental racism or something. This is gonna make me break out, I can feel it. Alright, get it on my ears too. Oh yeah. Yeah, daddy, that's fucking nice. Woo! Yeah. I'm gonna need a mirror. I had a party on St. Patrick's Day and my mirror's just gone. It's just fucking vanished. Dude, you're butchering your hair right now? It's like so bad for you, you know? Is it? I didn't fucking notice. Are you a fucking scientist? New year, new me. I'm hitting the gym. I'm doing it for me. Are you? Are you really? No, sweetie, I didn't go to school for this. Believe it or not. This has to work, or else I'm gonna lose the only girl I ever loved. Myself, bitch. I'm trying to record a YouTube video, Mom. This is a train wreck. This is what those kids call a goddamn fucking catastrophe. I can just slowly feel my dream just like slipping away of like this idea that I had and what it's just becoming, and I don't like it, you know. I don't like it. I see nothing wrong with the little bump and grind. When you go to any family barbecue and fucking the aunt makes like 13 pounds of potato salad, why the fuck did you make that much? I don't even like it. It tastes like shit. You fucking suck at making potato salad. Who gave you the right to fucking invest this much money and time into 13 pounds of potato salad? Then you're leaving. You're like, alright guys, whoa, hold on you. Here's 14 Tupperware containers full of baked beans, macaroni salad, potato salad, and 1 piece of fried chicken. I'm sure you'll fucking gorge yourself on this feast of mayonnaise whipped fucking picnic foods. Thanks. I was really hoping that I could eat 13 pounds of mashed potato salad in the next week or so. I'm really glad you fucking gave this to me, Aunt Ruth. Uh-huh. This is my shit. All the girls stomp your feet like this. Uh-oh, fuck, yeah. Uh-oh. Somebody call the fucking feds. We got a fucking stylist on the loose. It didn't occur to me that for the next however long it takes to put this black dye on, I will have this half a pound metal robot cock hanging in my face But you know, that's just life. Sometimes it throws you a curveball. Sometimes you're up there and you're looking, and you're about to, I put fucking tinfoil in my face. Now, according to some emo bitch that I know, this is better than Manic Panic. I say ha. So, essentially, we, I don't know what I was gonna say. Alright. Oh, it smells heavenly. It smells like, Powerade. Okay. Oh man, it's got a purple tint to it. I'm fucking ecstatic. Let's do this. Lowe's, let's do this. There's no turning back now, bitch. Oh my god. Wow. You know what? Don't question my methods because I know how to evenly dye my hair with gloves from the dollar store. $1 a pack, 10-pack on sale right now. Use discount code CashAnimus at checkout. 10% off Marlboro Reds and 10% off just Marlboro Reds. It looks like a car took a shit on me. Lightning McQueen. I don't know. I just feel like something's gonna go wrong. I feel like something's like about to fucking go down. Saw a car crash. It reminded me of my first. Oh wow. I'm so good at this. I'm so good at this. This is not a good idea. I'm at about the halfway point. Morale's not looking good. It's looking pretty sketchballs here. But it looks pretty good so far. I can see myself in the mirror. I look fucking terrifying. This man comes up to you in the middle of the night at 3 a.m. What are you doing? Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh fucking wow. I beg to Truman Delphi. I look like fucking Billy Joe Armstrong right now. I feel like that Manic Panic was definitely a lot easier to spread around. This stuff just doesn't seem to have as great of a consistency. It's a lot. It's a lot to take in. I dig it. I fucking love it. I actually really do like this. Looks pretty damn sick. I just gotta get the rest of my head covered in goo. Whoa. So the question at hand, does temporary black hair dye work? Is it worth buying? Does it look good? How did it work for you? What was your experience? Well, this is my experience. I actually fucking really like it. I think it looks fucking sweet. It looks really good. As far as Arctic Fox hair dyes go, I am... I'm not super happy with it. This stuff here... The store I bought it at, it was the exact same price as Manic Panic, and a lot of people claim that this is a much better hair dye because it lasts longer, it's more vibrant, and it's cheaper, which, I don't know. It's the same exact fluid ounce, the same exact size. This comes in a squeeze bottle as opposed to a tub like Manic Panic. But, yeah, this is called Transylvania, and, when I was washing this out in the shower, it just never stopped coming out. Like even up until the point when I left the shower, like if I just held my fucking head there, it was just like a waterfall of like blue hair dye just streaming out. Like it just wouldn't stop. And eventually I was worried that if I did it long enough, it'll just rinse the color out, but thankfully it really didn't. But I just don't understand why it wouldn't stop coming out. Manic Panic, you hold your head under the water for like 20 seconds and it's like, okay, the water's like pinkish, so I should stop now. But this stuff, it just wouldn't fucking lay up. So, yeah, I don't know. Also, I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but or on my forehead, but this stuff here, when it rinses off your head, it like stains your body blue. And it doesn't come off with water. I had to scrub my body with soap just to get the blue off, and my hands are still pretty blue. And my neck and my chest was just like fucking, it looked like I was a Smurf. I don't know why it does that. It's obviously a much stronger dye than Manic Panic. I will say that. They have it down probably almost to like more of like a actual semi-permanent. I think Manic Panic's kind of like a 10 wash realistically. You know, they say 4 to 6 weeks, but it rinses out pretty fast. But I feel like this stuff is going to stay in for quite a while just because of how fucking dark it is and how much of a bitch it was to wash out. But yeah. I like I said, I really like the results. I really like how this turned out with the red in there. I left the red in for a little bit longer than the black, and it kind of mixed together when I was washing out because it was bleeding colors everywhere, and it's kind of like a cherry now, kind of like a cherry, like purple violet, and I think it looks really sick. Like I like it. I like the look. Don't get me wrong. I think it looks great. I think it's amazing that they can make a semi-permanent black hair dye. I think that's great. They also make a silver too, which is very interesting because silver is like notorious for being such a long, lengthy, and obnoxious process when trying to get your hair a silver color. So that's great that they make that. Other than that though, it didn't really stain my towel, which is very surprising. There's some spots you can see it stained my towel just a teensy bit, but it might wash out, who knows. I'll see you bitches in another video soon. I filmed a few videos and I just gotta get them edited and uploaded, so I'll see you around, boys.